Taking notes during a Google Meet can be challenging, especially when trying to stay engaged in the discussion. Google Meet has made strides in automating this process, particularly for Google Workspace users who can now access AI-driven features like real-time transcription and automatic note-taking. Let's walk through how it works. Begin by visiting Google Meet on your computer and selecting your scheduled meeting. In the top right corner of your screen, click on the Take Notes with Gemini button. Adjust the settings to your preference, and once done, click Start Taking Notes to enable automated note-taking. As people speak, Google Meet captures the conversation in real time, turning spoken discussion into structured notes while the meeting is still happening. After the meeting ends, the notes document is saved to the meeting organizer's Google Drive. Both the organizer and the person who enabled the feature will receive an email with a link to the document, which is also added to the Google Calendar event. Here's how it looks from the attendee's perspective when the meeting wraps up, along with the notes made by Gemini that were sent out. And because these features are only available to Google Workspace users, personal Gmail accounts need an alternative, and that's where Tactiq comes in. As soon as your Google Meet starts, Tactiq opens a live transcript so you can stay focused without taking notes. It also highlights key points and generates AI summaries. Unlike Gemini, Tactiq allows you to use in-meeting AI. In-meeting AI allows you to summarize while the call is happening or helps you ask follow-up questions. You can also export your notes to Google Docs, Notion, Slack, or other tools you already use. Try Tactiq for free today. And don't forget to subscribe for more Google Meet productivity tips.